All right, you guys. What we're going to do is we're going to use the Dyson, and we're going to have fun. We vacuumed this multiple times with Sanitaires. We're going to see if the Dyson can pick up anything after all the Sanitaire stuff, and you never know, it may or may not.
Yeah,
but we're going
it's empty right now.
It's completely empty. So we're going to see if we can pick up anything, even a little bit, which we don't think we can, but because the Sanitaire is pretty powerful, but who knows, we might. So here, this is the last video we're shooting in this place. see if there's any. Here, let me see.
It's just barely.
There's, yeah, turn it around again, the other way. There's stuff in there, it's like, I don't know, it might be carpet fuzz, but, so the Sanitaires did pretty good. This was just a fun thing to try to see what would happen. Oh, now this is the area that you guys saw us focusing on. There is nothing in this carpet. Now on camera it may look dark, but there's nothing in this carpet whatsoever. It's distorted now.
Here, trade the camera for this, and you can take over.
Yeah, something happened and messed up the carpet fibers here. We messed with that and messed with that. We know there's no dirt in it. We couldn't find dirt in it.
Well, it's just weird.
So Joe's gonna finish me raking this thing off, and that's gonna be the end of the video.
Yep.
Well, I don't know if I said this before, but I hate raking with a passion.
Yeah.
Something about it just bugs me. I hate it.
Nobody cares.
Yeah.
Just man up. We usually don't show the raking anymore.
Nah.
But occasionally there's some people like to see it.
It fits in with this. This is the final thing that's going to ever happen.
Yeah, see, it makes it look nice and uniform.
When they rent this to somebody and they move out, they will definitely replace the carpet after this, because I'm going to point out that there's permanent damage in here that needs to be replaced. And they'll take our advice. They know we're telling the truth, so.
Now we like this better than just leaving vacuum lines, and some people like to leave like a shark tooth pattern, which is cool. This is a lot easier than doing all those patterns, I think.
Now sometimes though, if your carpet's real rough, raking them could be a mistake.
Yeah, you got to decide if it looks better raked or if it's better just to not rake.
Sometimes if you can get it vacuumed where it looks decent, and it covers up flaws like this over here, sometimes it's better to just leave it unraked. You're not trying to do nothing wrong, but you might as well show the best quality you can to the customer.
Okay, when he steps off, I'm going to show it. Now, obviously, we're going to have to step out of the apartment, so we'll rake it a little bit more.
Just right here at the foot.
But let's get one good look at it.
That's how it's going to be in the morning.
So that looks nice and even.
Hold on, let me get this kitchen light.
All right.
Let's see what we really got here. Get it dark as can be.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
But when they walk in and the carpets are nice and smooth like a putting green, except where he just put his foot, which we have to fix, but that's in fact, I'm just going to open this front door.
They'll like it.
Because we're gonna.
The truth is, the apartment complex, this area over here, they won't notice it. We do. They'll just think the carpet looks good.
So we're just gonna rake that little bit of footprints on the way out the door.
That's it. 2 or 3 footprints.
All there is to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that.
That's a lot of videos. We made 6 videos up here, I believe.
Yeah, we figured we had it for the whole weekend.
We had Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So like, why not shoot some videos and have some fun?
Well, it was a disaster carpet, and if you look, this place was torn up really bad. They had to put in all new cabinets and countertops, and the carpets.
They probably can't see in here with no light.
Well, but the carpets were so.
This place was trash.
Yeah, they destroyed everything.
They did everything but the carpet.
But they tried to save the carpets, and which we.
And you can tell they should have replaced the carpets, but they.
Yeah, we had to actually clean the carpets twice to make them look right.
Sometimes, if you're
and that's unless if they're willing to have it as is, I think they look pretty good, but they may still replace them. I don't know.
Well, something about professional carpet cleaning nobody knows. Sometimes if you're not willing to do the carpet twice, you're not doing a good job. I mean, if you can't get all the dirt out the first time, you got to go back.
Well, the client will give you the time to do it that way.
Yeah. Well, if you can, you go back and you do another job because that's what you owe them.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's probably going to be the last video in this series. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching this series of videos.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Yeah, well, thanks for watching.